Hi, everyone. A common question for robot vacuum owners is, what do I do if I want to use my vacuum on different floors or even in a different home? In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create and manage multiple maps for your Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 using the Xiaomi Home App. Before we start, make sure you place your charging dock on the floor you want to map. The vacuum needs to start from the dock to save the layout correctly. Also, remember to open all doors so the robot can move freely and scan every corner. Now, let's open the Xiaomi Home app. Select your S10 vacuum from the device list. Here, you'll see my current map. To add a new floor, we need to go to Settings by tapping the three dots in the top right corner. From there, tap on Map Management. Next, tap on Create Map. The app will show you some helpful instructions. Swipe through these to make sure your environment is ready. Once you're set, hit the Start button and then press Continue. The vacuum will now begin scanning your floor using its LiDAR sensors. You'll see it building the layout in real time on your screen. Once the scanning is complete, the robot will automatically return to its charging dock and save the map. Just tap OK to confirm the save. If you go back into Map Management, you'll now see a new map, likely named Map 1. To keep things organized, I'm going to rename this to First Floor. Whenever you move the vacuum to a different level of your home, you can simply go into this menu and select the corresponding map. It's that easy to make your Xiaomi S10 work across your entire home. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.